In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Wise. To do this, first what you want to gonna do is just open up Wise, and from within Wise you want to click Add Money. And there's basically two ways to do this, and the first and easiest is what I'll show you right now, and then I'll explain what you can do if that doesn't work for you. First, just add however much you want to add from Revolut to your Wise account, and where it says Paying With, go and click Change, and just select any of the bank transferring options. For me, for example, I could use Ideal or a simple bank transfer or a normal bank transfer, but I'll just do a simple bank transfer. Then from there, go and click Continue. Then we'll ask you which country your bank is in, so you can find that on Revolut by going to your account details. So after selecting the country for you, from there you will be able to choose your bank, and in some cases Revolut will be in here, in many cases actually. So then if it is there, you're just gonna select Revolut, then click Continue, and then it will be redirecting you to Revolut, and from there you can then go and make the payment inside of Revolut. So it'll say Open Revolut. Now it doesn't let me screen record this, but from there you can then authorize the payment, and it will then be deposited into your Wise account. Now, if for some reason that strategy does not work for you, then here's what you can do. In that case, you still want to go and click Add Money and choose how much you want to add, but under Payment Method, what you want to do is set it to a manual bank transfer, which is just called a bank transfer, and then what you will get is your Wise account details. Now for you it will be different. So you just want to go and open up Revolut and then create a bank transfer and then use these details right here. So for example, you have the IBAN which you want to add, and a really important part is the reference code. So at some stage in the Revolut transfer, it will say the reference or something like that, and usually it will say sent from Revolut or something like that. You want to remove that and just enter the reference code so that they know it was you who sent it, and then the payee name, then just select Wise Europe, then the IBAN, and just enter all of these details. And then the money will be deposited into your Wise account as well. So that's how you can transfer money from Revolut to Wise. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.